Bayan, magandang umaga. Ang Kuya Ed TV. We're calling the attention of our people and nations for this day. And the day will come. Handa na po kami at nakahanda na po na rin ang balanghay at ang pulutong. Inaantena lamang po namin ang tamang oras. BBM, you have to decide to move on your chair or we will use a force according to your request. This is the last day that we are proclaiming and shouting for the people address that you have to vacate your position as you are a stupid and useless president of this republic. Together with your cronies, also Romualdez have to vacate. And also those communists who leading us. Failing the interest of the people. I warning you again, this is Kuya Ed, sa pamunuan po ng makabagong katipunero ng bayan. Kami po ay malawig na nananawagan. Hanggat may panahon pat oras, BBN, you have to decide to move. Iwan mong upuan, iwan mo na. Huwag mo nang antayin pang